Welcome to Brinov's Gallery. NCERT Syllabus. Class 2 Maths. Chapter 9. My Fun Day. One day Monday. Went to Tuesday. To see Wednesday. And ask Thursday. To tell Friday. And also Saturday. That Sunday is fun day. Is Sunday a fun day for you? Yes. Sunday comes at end of the week. And Sunday is holiday. So that's why Sunday is fun day. Monday is happy to be the first day of the week. Now you tell. The third day of the week is Wednesday. The fifth day of the week is Friday. The second day of the week is Tuesday. The last day of the week is Sunday. Which day will come? After Sunday. Monday. Before Sunday. Saturday. After Wednesday. Thursday. Before Wednesday. Tuesday. 2 days after Sunday. Tuesday. 4 days after Wednesday. Sunday. 7 days after Monday. Monday. Which day do you like most? Why? I like Sunday the most. Because it is fun day. What is the day today? Friday. Which day was it yesterday? Thursday. Which day will it be tomorrow? Saturday. Which day will it be the day after tomorrow? Sunday. Which day was the day before yesterday? Wednesday. Teacher. Some children of Class 2A love to play teacher. They have decided to take turns in playing the teacher's role. Day. Who will play teacher's role? Monday. Vaibhav. Tuesday Alpana. Wednesday Gaurav. Thursday Gurpreet. Friday Deepak. Saturday Rehanuma. Now fill in the blanks. Dash will be the teacher the day after Friday. Rahanuma. Dash will play the teacher's role on the day before Tuesday. Vaibhav. Gaurav will play the teacher's role on the day after Dash. Tuesday. Deepak will play the teacher's role on the day before Dash. Saturday. Games every day. Look at the timetable of Class 2A and fill in the table. Period. On which days? Drawing. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Music. Monday, Thursday, Friday. Games. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Library. Tuesday, Wednesday, Saturday. In your class. On which days do you have a games period? Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. How many children would like to have a games period every day? 20. What games do you play in your games period? Football. On which days do you have a drawing period? Monday and Wednesday. Do you have a music period? If yes, on which days? Yes, Tuesday and Thursday. Which day of the week do you like best at school? Saturday. Favorite month. One day Sona, Arjun and Zeba were talking about their favorite months. My favorite months are May and June. I can eat mangoes then. I like December because Christmas comes in December. I like July and August because it rains in these months. Which month do you like best? Why? June. Because I can eat mangoes in this month. Draw what you like to do in your favorite month. Fill in the table. What I like best. Months in which it comes. Fruit. Mango. June to July. Vegetable. Lady's finger. May to June. Flower. Rose. February to March. Write the names of 5 festivals that you or your friends celebrate. Also, write the months in which these festivals come. Name of the festival. Month in which it comes. Diwali. November. Raksha Bandhan. August. Holi. March. Dashahara. October. Christmas. December. Draw a scene of any of the festivals. Names of some of the months are missing in the list given below. Fill in names of those months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Look at the calendar to find out which is the first month of the year. January. Which month comes after March? April. Which month comes before August? July. Which is the last month of the year? December. February is different. 4 months have 30 days. 7 months have 31 days. February is the shortest month. In some years it jumps for fun. Long months have 31 days, short months have 30 days. Look at a calendar to find out which months have 30 days. April, June, September and November. How many months have 31 days? 7 months. How many days are there in February? 28 or 29 days. How many days together are there in May and June? 61 days. How many Sundays are there in July? 4 or 5 Sundays. What is the day on your birthday? Do it yourself. Find out. How many days do you get for your summer holidays? 50 days. How many winter holidays do you have? 10 days. Blow hot, blow cold. I am Ashraf. I live in Kashmir. Most of the time here the wind is very cold. It makes my teeth chatter. I like to sit in the sun or near a fire. I am Lakshmi. I live in Chennai. These days the sun is too hot. My feet burn if I walk barefoot. I like to sit in a pool. I am Rubaiya. I am in Meghalaya. Here the rains just don't stop. The sun is hiding behind dark clouds. Have you ever felt your teeth chattering due to cold? Yes. Your feet feel hot on walking barefoot? Yes. Name one month when you can easily walk barefoot. October. Have you seen it raining for many days? Yes. In which month does it rain the most in your area? July. Which are the hottest months in your area? April to May. Which are the coldest months in your area? December to January. Which fruits and vegetables are seen a lot in the market in these months? Write or draw. May to June. Fruits. Muskmelon, jackfruit, kiwi, mangoes, vegetables, spinach, cucumber, bitter gourd, beans. December to January, fruits, strawberries, guava, custard apple, orange, vegetables, radish, broccoli, beetroot, spinach. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Brinav's Gallery. Thank you.